In this video, I will show you how to find your Monopoly Go user ID. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is, of course, open up Monopoly Go on your device. So once you've gone ahead and done that and you've logged into your account, your user ID can be located very easily, and you can use your user ID to do things like add friends and join events and things like that. It's an 8-digit number, and to actually find this, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, press onto the three lines to open up the menu. And from here, all you need to do is simply come right down to the bottom and you're going to see an option called settings. So if you go ahead and press onto settings, and from here, if you look at the very bottom, just above the green connect account button, you will see your user ID. So as I say, this is an 8-digit number which is unique to your account, and you can go ahead and use this and send this to friends if they want to add you, and you can use this for future events and things like that too. So that's how to go ahead and find your Monopoly Go user ID. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.